You all are again welcome back to the White Slate Padhai. In the previous video, we saw the weather and climate of different places in India. Today, we will talk about it more. You must have observed that climate do respond back to certain adaptations in different animals. Like the animals living in the polar areas are completely different from the animals which are living in the tropical areas. Today, we will focus majorly upon the animals and their adaptations in the polar region. There is a very nice fun fact. You must have heard that in the polar areas, the sun does not set for 6 months. It is just daytime. And then for again next 6 months, it does not rise. So a long and cold night is there. This makes the polar regions very cold. Sometimes the temperature can drop to as low as minus 37 degrees Celsius. Humans, animals, both of them require certain things to be alive there. Humans can use technology to their comfort, but what about our dear animals? One such animal is our polar bear. He has certain adaptations in him which can help him in order to survive in such cold places. Those are that he has white fur which is not easily visible in the snowy white background. It helps him in two ways. He can just hide from his predators and he can also hide from his prey in order to seek them. Then he have two thick layers of fur, not one but two, and apart from that he also has a layer of fat under his skin. So it means 3 layers protecting him. It's as much equivalent as you are wearing 3 layers of clothes, that too very warm clothes. Because of this, sometimes the polar bear feels too hot while he is doing some activities. Thus, he is a very nice swimmer too, in order to make himself cool down. He also have long and curved sharp claws. It helps him to walk over the ice. He has a very strong sense of smell. It helps him to locate and catch its prey. So you see, our little polar bear is having so many different adaptations which helps him to survive in these climates. Have you ever seen the penguins? Yes, they are the cute little guys. They also live in the South Pole. Now, they also have similar things like the polar bear. They have white color to camouflage. They also have skin. They also have fat layer under their skin, and that is why they are able to survive in this cold climate. Apart from that, this guy is a nice hugger. He just tangles together and then keep themselves warm. All the penguins you could see are usually huddled up together, and this way they all keep themselves warm. He is also a very good swimmer, which helps him to catch his prey such as fishes. The third polar region animals or something else is birds. These are the birds which usually live in the polar areas, but when it is too cold, or you can say the night time is there, it means 6 months now the sun is not going to rise, then before that these birds use up their feathers to fly away into suitable climates. Thus they get a nice name which is called as migratory birds. If you want, then you can see some in India too, like in Bharatpur, Rajasthan and Sultanpur, Haryana. Siberian crane is one such migratory bird which usually comes from Siberia to India in winters. So you see how polar region animals and birds have adapted to that climate. In the next video, we will see certain adaptation in the tropical rainforest animals.